Hello everyone, this is Miss Lynn and I'm here to go over the round 4 schedule for the last packet. This packet runs from May 6th until May 20th. After May 20th, there will be no new instruction given. This will be just time for you to complete all assignments and submit them to your child's teacher. So first of all, your child will still have the language sheet for week 33. You'll go through that, and then they will do the test, and then they will have week 34 and complete that test, and that will end on the 19th. You will send a photograph of the test from each of those weeks. One is done on the 12th, and the other is done on the 19th. For writing, we are going to be working on different types of poetry. I will be uploading a video to our webpage about acrostic poems. They can watch that poem maybe tomorrow morning and then continue brainstorming ideas for their poem. After that, they will work on their rough draft of their poem, and then on Friday they will work on their final copy, and that is what you will photograph and send to the teacher. After that, we will be working on similes. I will again upload a video the evening before the 11th, and they will watch that video if possible and then work on similes. They will work on creating a rainbow poem using similes. There will be a sheet provided. They will work on their rough draft on the next day, and on the 13th, they will work on their final poem. There is a sheet provided, and they can color it. They will you can photograph that and send it to the teacher. And then they will be working on an A-B rhyming pattern poem. I will be uploading a video the evening before the 14th for students to look at on the 14th to go along with that day. They will work on their rough draft again and on a piece of notebook paper, and then there will be a sheet provided with an example and for their final draft on the 18th. That will be photographed and sent to the teacher. And then for the last 2 days of that, they're going to choose their favorite type from the ones that we've talked about, and they'll brainstorm their ideas on the 19th, and then on the 20th, they'll create their own final draft of their original poem, whichever one they like the most, and they'll photograph that and send that to the teacher. There also will be some handwriting worksheets for cursive. We just thought that a lot of the students enjoy writing in cursive, so we thought that we would let them have some practice with that, writing their name and writing uppercase and lowercase letters in cursive. Just a fun activity for them. For reading, the students will be doing the same thing they've been doing. They will read for 15 minutes and write a response on the provided sheet. The dates have been changed. Once all those reading responses have been recorded, that can be photographed and sent to the teacher. For math, students will be completing the booklets again. They'll complete a booklet and then a lesson in Khan Academy. Let's see, for this one you will start with booklet 3, which you already have. So you'll finish booklet 3. So on the 7th, you will do the test for the booklet, and then photograph that and send it to the teacher. And then on the 15th, there is a test for you to take a picture of and send to the teacher. Otherwise, they will be doing lessons in Khan Academy. Finally, for science, they'll be continuing to work in their science workbook pages. There are only, let me see how many pages or how many times. On the 6th, the 178 and 179, that will need to be photographed and sent to the teacher. The chapter review on the 19th will need to be photographed and sent to the teacher, and the South Carolina test practice will need to be completed, photographed, and sent to the teacher. This schedule will be posted on our webpage, and if you have any questions, just let your teacher know. Thank you.